I am extremely happy to be back on the pickleball court with my son, to be able to do the movements and things that I hadn't been able to do without pain. So for approximately 4 or 5 years, my right hip had been bothering me. I definitely had some arthritic changes. Always been athletic all of my life. So it was kind of hard for me to get through that. I knew when it was my activities of daily living, things that I enjoy, that I'm no longer able to do, that it was my time to actually see a surgeon. I've been a nurse for a lot of years, and I did a little research online who was really known for their total hip replacements.
Teresa came to us with worsening and debilitating hip pain, severe, really bone-on-bone hip arthritis, where all the cartilage in her hip was worn out. After having tried non-surgical treatments like medications and physical therapy and activity modifications, which unfortunately did not really help her, we offered a hip replacement. There are many ways to do a hip replacement. More recently, we've adopted a more horizontal or a bikini incision, and that allows a more cosmetic appearing incision. It hides very nicely. It's the same surgery underneath, but the scar is almost imperceptible.
I couldn't have been more pleased. I felt fantastic. I was actually walking the exact same day, the next day, right with physical therapy. My rehabilitation was at home for almost 2 weeks. When someone comes to your home was invaluable. I was actually back to work in 2 weeks after surgery. So I'm back to normal. My main focus has been weights and exercising. I can bike again, I can jump rope, and I'm back to squats, lifting with my son. It's a real joy that we can enjoy the same things that we did previously.
Her hip was just keeping her from her quality of life, and it's really satisfying to be able to relieve that one area that wasn't working well in her life.
I would most definitely recommend Dr. Chan for anyone that is having any kind of hip issues. Fantastic result. Actually regretful that I didn't do it sooner. The memorial system has been a blessing to me.